Let me explain. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've dropped any videos, but I needed to take a little bit of time. It's been a long year of making videos every single week. I kind of wanted to take a break. I also wanted to work on something that was mine. It was all mine, you know? Got a really exciting piece that I worked on during that month break. We're not gonna go into that one this week, but I wanted to show you guys another painting that I was working on in that time as well. It's a Demon Slayer joint that I did for my boy Michael. Now, I did a lot of the talking head parts out in California. It was just my birthday, so you're gonna see some of the footage from there in there, and you're also gonna see a few changes to my channel. One is the new set. I think I'm gonna go with this angle from now on. I think it's a little better. I'm sitting, it's personal, and I don't know, without further ado, let's get right into the other intro that I did. Peace, love guys, thanks for coming out again. Yo, this week guys, we're doing a commission for my homeboy Michael. We're out here in Muir Woods, seeing some of these redwoods. This shit's so dope out here. Just out of pan around, show you guys.
Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Daddy, what up?
Yeah guys, so this week we're doing a Demon Slayer jump off. It's a little collaboration piece and I'm doing from my boy Michael. More to come. Alright guys, so I laid a layer of blue acrylic paint over the pencil sketch. This is so that pencil sketch part doesn't smear, as well as having a layer that's not white underneath. I think that this can help with my shadows more. I wish I would have picked a color like brown or something like that, but this is my first time really doing this for this reason, so I think it came out alright. You guys let me know what you think. Alright, so Zenitsu I think got the most out of putting that blue underlayer of acrylic paint. You can really tell when you look at, once I get into doing his jacket or shirt thing, that the blue underneath the yellow made it look really dope to me. Also, his hair doesn't quite look like it does in the anime. It's a little more stringy, but I kind of like the way that this looked. It's not as blocked off, but I thought it was important to put my own little twist on it and not do it exactly like any of the references I use for any of the three characters for this painting. Alright guys, now that we've got most of the three characters done, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up with the details, just a little bit here and there, finish up Zenitsu's pants, start going into finishing the eyes and the faces on both Nezuko and Tanjiro, before we start getting into the part where I'm doing the flames as well as the lightning and doing the background, which I absolutely love doing that part. The way that the blue and the purple merged together just looks so pretty to me. Alright, so Michael is a guy that I work with. He's an IT tech over at Detroit Public Schools. So he is another one of the many people from my job that have commissioned paintings for me, and I love that these guys keep on doing that. I mean, they were probably half of my income from painting last year in the first season, so that's great. Michael is another fan of anime. He's on a next level fan. He knows about every single anime that I've ever brought up to him, plus some. So if you want some suggestions, go find that guy and ask him, because he is a anime extraordinaire. Still going?
Yep.
Alright guys, during this part you're gonna see that I did the comic strips going around the side of the painting. If you go from the left all the way down and then around, you can see the whole first episode of what I did. Now we're on some hill and you can see the background. I got a YouTube channel, so I do videos of all my paintings and stuff, so I figured. Alright guys, so sorry for that horrible audio, but I still wanted to leave that clip in just because of how beautiful it looked up there. Anyway, in that audio, I was basically telling you that around the whole painting, you're gonna see the manga or the comic book strips. This is all from the first episode of Demon Slayer, which is a tearjerker. It is crazy. This guy just goes out and then comes home to find his whole family massacred, and then his sister turns into a demon, and that just sets the whole show off. Demon Slayer is one of the greatest animes that I have seen in a long time. So if you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. Now, when people go over to Michael's house, he'll just be like, yo, you want to know what it's about? Just look around this painting and you can see the whole first episode. So I thought that was really cool and something different that I've done using the manga strips or the comic book strips thus far. Alright guys, now we're just gonna go ahead and get to the point where we're wrapping this thing up. You can see that I cut out some cardboard and I'm going ahead and lifting it up from the page just to give it a little more depth. You know, I don't like to do anything just regular. We're gonna add some manga, we're gonna add some pop-out effects and all of that as we wrap this thing up. Thank you guys so much for coming out, and I really hope that you guys love this painting as much as I do and as much as Michael seemed to, because he threw me a fatty tip on this one. Thanks again for that, Mike. Alright guys, and with that, that's going to be another video done. Thanks again, Michael, for this commission. I love doing anime, so anybody else that wants an anime commission, please come and holla at me about that stuff. Because I love doing it so much. I hope you guys like the new format of the channel. I know that my popping head parts were a fun part for a lot of you, but I feel like it's a little bit better when I do the audio on top, and every now and then I'll still add a few popping head parts in there, but I figure it's more efficient to do it this way. If you want me to go back to the old way, just let me know in the comments, because I am here for you and to document my journey. Hope you guys enjoy another season of Painting with Chuck Lee. It's gonna be a good one. I've already got quite a few paintings already done, so you can expect some sweet stuff coming in the future. I did a portrait of my baby because I really want to get good at those portraits, so I got to kind of away from that, as well as I did a joint with some octopus, my biggest canvas yet, so stay tuned for that video. I wanted it to be this video, but I haven't gotten everything set up the way that I want to set up. Still waiting on some stuff to come in the mail for that one. Again, thank you guys so much for coming out for another video. Again, sorry for the wait, and as always, peace and all the love in the world to you and yours. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Peace.